Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to be teaching you on how to create poll in on WhatsApp. Okay, you could do it on WhatsApp Business or ordinary WhatsApp. You must have seen where some people will display a poll and ask you, okay, what do you want to do? Would you like click this or that, like to cast a vote and so on? So this is where you are going to click on. You click on this button here, this one here. So once you click on it, that will allow you to continue from there. So I'm going to click on that pin and then you click on poll, right? So after that, let's see what is going to display. Ask your question. You can tap here to ask the question. Probably you are in a group or you want people to bring their opinion. Let's say what time. Okay, are you, or let's say, are you are you enjoying the lesson? Right? Let's ask this question. Are you enjoying the lesson? I might put emojis, okay? Now, the option could be yes, okay? Maybe you want the person to say yes or you want to say no. Right? You can keep on adding to it. See, after no, the next one could be not sure. Let's say not sure, right? Can you see? The more I click, the more the add button comes like this here. Did you observe this showing? The more you click, the more this increases. So the more, if I type here now, another link, bar will come up. Is that okay? So if you are okay with the question you want to type, this is not sure. All right, then I'm okay. Okay, so I'm done with the list I want to type. Not sure, or you say maybe. Let's change this to maybe. Then once I'm done, I'll click on this button. Okay, can you see all the things I've posted? So select one or more. That is where that option uh is effective. So meaning that you might decide to choose all of it. You have choice to pick more or you pick just one. Are you getting it? Under here, what we have, allow. Look at this. Allow multiple selection. So it is being ticked, meaning that your client or your group can choose more than one option. Do you understand? So this is how we create little poll to find out the interest of people or to even make a vote. Okay, who are we voting for? Do you want so person as a president or as the secretary? Do you want this? Do you want that? So you put it yes one, and then it will be counting. Okay, there will be a counter here. Assuming we are more on this group now, you see these numbers increasing, and with the people's DP showing. You must have observed that in on other groups also. So this is how you create it. I hope I've been able to impact you this morning. Have a great